Today we have a 2004 Toyota Land Cruiser. We're replacing the fuel filter, which is very simple. It's right here, located on the left side, or right side if you're facing the front, which is different than most vehicles. You don't have to remove the top cover. I just had to remove for something else. So really you only need like 3 tools, a number 19, a number 14, and a number 10. So first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the line that goes to the injector rail here. Just kind of push that to the side. Push it downward so there's no tension on it. Squeeze these 2 parts right here, these little green. There's one on each end, just squeeze it and then pull up. As you can see, it comes right off. We just swing that to the side. We will have to transfer this over, so all you gotta do is just get like a little pick or something, or you can use your finger and just pull these little tabs back and push it out. So now with a 19 and 14, we're gonna break the line. All right, also, after we broke that line with the 15 holding the fuel filter, the 14, take off this here to the fuel line. I used the number 10 to remove 1 bolt that was located right there where my thumb is, and then another, which is located on the other end. We'll get a good view once I remove this. There's a 3rd bolt down there just to remove the whole bracket. You won't have to do it. So push back like so, and then we're just gonna manipulate it out a little bit. Probably going towards the firewall there, and just kind of, ooh, that is disgusting. So it'd be good to have a bucket down there. But yeah, just kind of work it out. It's probably easier to remove the whole thing, but you know, I like to cut little corners here. So that bolt, as you can see, this is where it ends, and it goes right there. It's a very long, not very long, but pretty long, number 10. That basically clamps it together. So let's get this out. Probably be easier to remove this little plastic clip here first, and then get the new one installed. Okay guys, so the old one's removed. There's that hole, that bolt that clamps this piece together goes, and where it locks into, so you can actually just pry it up a little more. Our new one here, we'll just kind of slide it in. Boom. And then go ahead and thread our bolts, everything. Oh, looks like the cap fell off, but whatever. Let's go ahead and pull this one off too. And pretty much just get ready to line it up correctly, clamp it all down. I've already gone ahead and took off the green clip from the old one, just put it back in place like so, and we can actually just snap it in. So let's go ahead and just get everything lined up right. Don't cross thread this here, or else you're gonna, well, you're just gonna need a new fuel filter. But very simple, you know, just lightly do that. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Okay guys, so tighten my line from the fuel pump to the fuel filter here, just snug. Transferred over this little clip here, transferred this over, tightened this all down here. I don't know how this came apart, but okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and just, all you gotta do now is snap this in, like so. Make sure it's nice and snug, clip that in, and we are done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.